I'm Mark Osborn. I'm the Ammunition Technical Manager for NIOA, and today we're at Well Camp out of Toowoomba, receiving the 30mm ammunition for the Land 400 Phase 2 Boxer vehicle.
This is a very big day for Rheinmetall, for NIOA and for the Australian Defence Force. Arriving today is ammunition that's going to be part of the Land 400 Boxer capability.
So we sat down with our major partner in Rheinmetall, and in this instance our transport company McEwen Eastwood, and we came up with a plan of attack of the best way to get the items here to Australia.
McEwen Eastwood was engaged to move this shipment from door to door, with many challenges including local trucking in Europe across multiple countries, aircraft selection based on cargo details, storage, loading, European regulatory requirements, overflight countries, and ensuring all local rules were satisfied in Australia.
We are ensuring that the warfighter on the front line is getting the capability that they need on time. There's some 160 pallets. While we've taken delivery by air this morning, these will now move by road freight and will be moved into the Defence Logistics System.
NIOA's been involved in the order of the ammunition through Rheinmetall Waffenmunition Switzerland, from the initial stages of defining the ammunition types, compatibility of the ordnance in the Boxer vehicles, also seeing the ammunition through to EO certification aspects.
Yeah, it has gone very, very smooth. I mean, there's a lot of hands involved in something of this nature. The support from the Commonwealth, the support from Rheinmetall, our partners, the support from McEwen Eastwood, the transport company, has been outstanding.
So Rheinmetall is the original equipment manufacturer, and we're relying on NIOA to deliver this capability to the Australian Army.
Yeah, this is no small effort. A number of key people right across the organisation have played a key role, right from the Managing Director through to our team of engineers that have travelled with the freight from its origins overseas.
But as you see here today, all of the delivery, all of the approvals, that's been done by NIOA. All of the engineering documentation, that's been done by NIOA, done on our behalf, and they're the interface as the prime to the customer.
We've been doing this for a long time, and we know what it takes to get ammunition delivered, but also deliver the engineering certification aspects with that ammunition.
Yeah, so NIOA is the prime contractor for the 30mm ammunition on the Major Munitions Contract. We have a pivotal role in providing capability of this nature to the warfighter. One of the major aspects that NIOA can provide to the Commonwealth is the ability to demonstrate the lethality of the ammunition that we're providing for the Land 400 Phase 2 vehicle. This was undertaken last year, where we escorted the Commonwealth to the range at Studen and fired off a number of rounds that are currently being delivered here today, as well as future articles that will be delivered over the next 12 months. But it's also NIOA's first step in our progress to actually manufacture a medium calibre ammunition within Australia. We would hope that in the next few years that the plan of attack is that not only would this aircraft come in with ammunition to support other areas, that we would load it with NIOA Rheinmetall ammunition and export that around the world as part of our AIC and sovereign industry capability.
Sam Ogden, I work for NIOA, and today we're at Well Camp Airport with the delivery of 30mm ammunition for the Australian Defence Force. NIOA's been there from the beginning with organising logistics through McEwen Eastwood, and we've overseen the whole process from the planning stages up until delivery today. It was
very gratifying to send our junior engineer, well, we don't call him our junior engineer anymore, but great opportunity for a young guy. You know, we sent him to Switzerland, went over, he watched the manufacturing process, he watched the test firings out at the range at Studen. He then went on and watched how the cannons were manufactured at the factory. We're very much about growing our people in aspects across what we do.
As part of this delivery, we've formed a great partnership, a network if you like, between M&E, Well Camp and NIOA as a logistics supply chain that differentiate itself from traditional methods of bringing ammunition into Australia via shipping consignments which only leaves once a year.
the support that the WellCamp crew are providing. This is the third delivery of this nature. It's not the first, you know, over a couple of other our programs have delivered in the WellCamp, and we received the same support every time.
Absolutely, we do a lot of dangerous goods cargo, and certainly we can handle a lot of the cargo that other airports shy away from. It's been fantastic working with NIOA. They're a wonderful company to work with, and both being Australian companies, we've got common goals and we're able to cut to the chase on a lot of big issues very quickly. I could not be prouder of my staff today. We did a lot of pre-planning, put a lot of work into making sure that everything was going to go right on the day, and they really have performed.
We are delivering on time. We are meeting the capability required by the Army. We've been working with our trusted partner Rheinmetall to ensure that we get the capability to the front line where it's needed.
And to have an Australian prime like NIOA here on the ground doing the final deliveries of this ammunition to the customer is a major part of what we're doing.
We're very proud of what we do, and the next step in developing that sovereign industry capability and exporting to the world and providing the best of breed to our warfighters is our ultimate goal, and we're well on the way to achieving that.